To keep the garden swing in perfect condition, we recommend reapplying varnish on wooden parts of the garden swing every 3 years. In this case, we are doing it after 5 years. But as you can see, wood is still in great shape. For example, one of our first swings has been outside for 10 years without new varnish, and it is still strong, still looking good. The wood has turned dark and lost its fresh color, but it is still functional, so it's up to you. Reapplying varnish is not necessary, but we recommend doing it to keep the wood looking nice and prevent cracks. To do this, use a good quality, clear, water-based wood varnish. We bought this one in a hardware store. Before applying, lightly sand the surface with sandpaper. Do not press too hard, just make the surface matte and remove any peeling old varnish. Then use a white brush to apply a thin, even coat of varnish. This garden swing has already lasted 5 years and will last many more because we use high-quality materials. If you would like to order the same durable, reliable, strong, huge and luxurious garden swing with a hidden mini bar and the footrests, contact us via the link below the video.